What's up, everybody? Rabbit from Rotterdam. Thank everybody for watching the light bar installation video with 357 Magnum. Worked pretty good, drilled the hole right through the glass, worked out awesome. A lot of you guys commented about it having a hole in the glass and it's going to leak now. So you're right, I was actually wrong about it. I didn't think it leaked that much, but it does leak a lot. So we're going to address those situations today with some of the suggestions from you guys. And one of the best ones that made sense to me was just seal it up with some silicone. Then every guy said you won't stick against glass unless you scuff it up a little bit. So I got some 600 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to scuff the hole up a little bit and then seal it with window and door caulk. So we'll see how that works out. We'll just pull the wire here, and like I said, this is 3M wet or dry sandpaper. So we're just going to scuff this up a little bit and see if it get nice and so. Yeah, it looks like it's going to stick pretty good. It's rough. Okay, so we got the hole roughed up a little bit. We're going to put the wire back in, and right like that. And I'm going to apply this product. Like I said, it's just Red Devil. Oh, sorry, it's upside down. Window and door caulk, and I think that ought to seal it up pretty good. So let's put some of that on there, and oh boy, that's going to work out pretty good. I don't think that's going to leak. So we got the caulk on there. Now we're just going to kind of seal it up a little bit, and look, it just blends right in. I mean, you can't even hardly see it. That's pretty good. And I mean, the truck's white, so that's why I chose white caulk. So all right, I think that's going to work out pretty good, and we'll see today because it's supposed to rain. So I'd like to thank everybody who put in the suggestions how to fix that, and I think we're on the track for keeping that waterproof. So thanks for following Rotterdam. Check out that kid place on Facebook for me helping autistic and special needs kids out, and give us a like and a follow, and follow us for more recipes. Thanks, guys.